Alright guys, Nick's Outdoors back here. I know I ain't been uploading very many videos, guys. Apologies for that one. We already got us a Chelsky Stoker's 24C. We're going to do a cold start on old David Brown here. And it will be a fucking cold start. I'll prove this right here. It's cold. I don't know exact what degrees it is. I have no clue. But I do know it's fucking cold. Because if any of y'all know me from school, you know I don't get fucking cold easily, and I'm cold. I'm colder. Cold starter. What the hell, that feels weird as fuck. Why does that feel so weird? I'm sure there's nothing right about that. I'm doing a cold start, and I'm gonna take it right up that bank out there out of the way. Pull this truck down here and put them 17s over off that truck on that. Oh shit. Cold start! Well, it might not start. That might have been right after all. Come on, baby, you can do it. Oh shit. Oh. Come with it, come with it. Come on, baby. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. God damn, that's what I'm talking about, David Brown. That's definitely a cold start. I don't know what you guys think, but I'm pretty sure that was a fucking cold start. But for a second, I didn't think it was going to start. But hey, it's a Case. I knew it was going to fucking start. Yeah, I know, I said David Brown. Case owns David Brown, if you do not know. So, there's a Case right there, but it's not a Case. Well, technically it is. Who the fuck cares? It's a tractor, that's all that matters. Who cares if it's a Case, David Brown, whatever you want to call it. Main point is, Case owns it all, so. Case owns Case and Case owns David Brown. Cool thing is, fucking door, bastard.